Hello, students. I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. So, my dear students, this is your subject teacher of science from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So, my dear students, today I am here with a new chapter from your textbook Bones and Muscles. So, my dear students, our body have different body parts like eyes, ear, nose, etc. So, students, some parts of our body are soft while others are hard. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about bones and muscles. Bones are hard part of a body and muscles are soft part of a body. So students, in this chapter you will learn about topics skeleton, bones, muscles, exercise and healthy food and posture. So students, let's get started. All of you open chapter number 5, page number 49 in your textbook, unit 3, human body, chapter 5, bones and muscles. Fill in the missing vowels to get the names of the different body parts. Fill in the blanks next to the pictures to label those parts correctly. So students, here few missing words are given. You have to complete these words with the help of vowels to form or to get the names of the different body parts. So the first one, A. Here you have to complete the spelling of eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Now in next, neck. N-E-C-K, neck. C. Elbow. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. D. K-N-E-E, knee. E-A-R-M, arm. So students, you have to complete the spelling of these body parts. Now here, students, this is neck. So here you have to write N-E-C-K, neck. In next, this is a picture of eyes. So you have to write here E-Y-E-S, eyes. Here knee, K-N-E-E, knee. Here arm, A-R-M, arm. And this is elbow, E-L-B-O-W, elbow. Okay, so you have to complete these words. Now students, some parts of our body are soft while others are hard. The soft parts are the muscles, the hard parts are the bones. Let us learn more about them. So students, as I told you, some parts of our body are soft like muscles and some are hard. So the soft part of the body are muscles and hard part are the bones. Now let's learn more about bones and muscles. Turn the page, everyone. Let's come to the page number 50, skeleton. So our first topic is skeleton. Our body has a framework of bones called the skeleton. So students, what is skeleton? Framework of bones are called the skeleton. It gives shape and support to our body. Without the skeleton, we would not be able to stand straight. It also protects the soft inner parts of our body. Now students, here function of skeleton is Skeleton gives shape and support to our body, and without skeleton we would not be able to stand straight. And skeleton also protect the soft inner parts of our body. So students, do you know about the soft inner parts of our body? They are brain, lungs, heart, etc. So students, these are the soft inner body parts that are protected by skeleton, like skull protect the brain, and rib cage protect heart and lungs. More than 200 bones form the human skeleton. Bones are hard and stiff. So students, there are more than 200 bones in a human skeleton. It means more than 200 bones form the human skeleton, and bones are hard and stiff part of our body. The place where two or more bones join together is called a joint. So students, here next word, that is joint. So what is joint? The place where two or more bones join together. It means where two bones join together is called a joint. We can bend our body around the joint. So students, around the joint we can bend our body. Some of the joints are shown in the picture given here. So students, here some picture of joints is given: neck joint, wrist joint, elbow joint. So students, there are so many joints in our body, like shoulder joint, knee joint, ankle joint. So these are the example of joints. Now let's discuss about our next topic, that is muscles. So my dear students, as you know that muscles are soft part of our body. Our bones are covered with muscles. So students, our bones are covered by muscles, and muscles are covered by our skin. Muscles are soft and help us move our bones. So students, here function of muscles. Muscles help us to move our bones. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. So students, there are more than 600 muscles found in our body. Now, word help that is given here: framework, the basic supporting structure that gives something shape. So students, here the meaning of framework is basic supporting structure that gives something shape, like skeleton is the basic structure or basic supporting structure that give human body shape. Now, fact file that is given below. Fact file here, the word yoga means to join. Yoga is very ancient practice of exercise to keep the mind and body healthy. So students, here the word yoga means to join. So if I ask, do you know the meaning of yoga? Then you have to reply me, yoga means to join. So students, in ancient time, yoga is practiced by people. They think practice of exercise keep our mind and body healthy. So students, yoga is very essential. Practice of exercise keep our mind and body healthy. Now, explanation of both topic is completed. In our next video, we will discuss about topic exercise and healthy food, and the next topic or last topic, posture. So I hope you understood about this both topic by the help of this video. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.